Hi guys, welcome back to the barn. Hope you're all well. That's a lot of packaging for 5 bandsaw blades and another 1/2 inch cutter for my collection for when I get this router built. So today I'm going to restart the building here, and I'm going to fit the OSB that I cut a few weeks ago that's in the way round there into these holes in the roof. And then I need to make a shopping list, and I need to go shopping because the car's back. Yay. They're your boxes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of OSB to fit. That's going to be my task for this morning. Get them fit. I've got to then rewire the lights through the OSB. I also need to rewire it through the plasterboard when I get it. The 2 on the ends I'm going to set flush to the underside of this ceiling grid, because that's where the cupboards are going. The others just need raising the thickness of a piece of plasterboard so I can fit the plasterboard in when I get some. And music. Oh! I didn't realise that weren't screwed on. And you royal family, you well nobility. Royal family, you well. Okay. Why sure is of me. You say Hollow 9. Kelly. Them done. I just need to make the two punch out arches now. Realign these two lights from that bearer up there, drill an hole through, punch them on temporary until I get the plasterboard. I've got them two areas there where the tools shelves are going. In fact, I might start these first. Quite fancy getting the basic cabinets made and on the wall, and then I can get a lot of this tooling up out of the way of the bench. So now I'm going to just rewire these two lights so they're in line, and I get the light back, because at the moment I've lost one. And then we'll have a look at what the post lady just brought. From what I've seen, it looks very nice. Okay. Well, I'm sure that's brighter now that all four lights are on that level. Obviously the two was stuck up in a little recess. It's slowly starting to get filled in now. I mean, it's far from finished, there's lots to do. Not even started that side yet. So plasterboard's on the shopping list for next shopping trip, as is the tongue and groove boarding to board that slope ceiling. And then I'll also get some of the melamine to start to build these tool cupboards. Over the next few days, I'm going to start to fit the insulation, get rid of that bale of insulation that's been there forever. And also, I've still got some of that 2x3 out there to start to frame this wall. I also need to move the diesel heater. So hopefully I can start to slowly frame out this wall now. The first thing to do is actually to get it in a position where the wall lining is plumb and level, so that's going to take a little bit of messing about. Once I establish them sort of datums, it's quite quick and easy just to fill in, and then I need to get some more tongue and groove board to do that, and probably some more insulation. So let's show you what the postman brought this morning. Not actually something I expected to come today, but we'll have a look at it. This is another Hongdui tool, and actually something that's got Mr. Cat Moses' name on it too. So it's the KM19 coping saw. Now I have a cheap coping saw. I've never had one that looks as good as this one. A little bit about the feature of it. Aluminium handle can be attached to either side. Oh, there's a little fancy installing the, like a lot of Hongdui tools, comes in a nice little box. Ooh, not only a nice little box, a nice little velvet box. Look at that. Spanner. Looks like a little beach handle. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these are Hongdui earbuds. No, not really. There's a blade. Oh, there's multiple blades. A blade and a bit, and a little bit of wire. We'll have a look what they are in a minute. Oops. So we've got the world's tiniest blade. Well, how fine that one is. That's a really fine blade. A replacement blade, and some weird blade. I don't know what kind of blade that is. It's only got teeth it's got teeth in every direction, about every centimetre. Right, we'll find out what that is in a minute. And then the handle goes in there. Okay, very nice. Oh, I see, so they're the unlock. So that unslackens. Very nice. The saw has two types of blade attachment, can be used either on the traditional wire style or the modern pin. So this is obviously the traditional wire style. They come out, they go on there. I can say I've never used one of them. How does this little monkey fit on then? Goes in there like that. Just remember not to over tension your knob. So they go in there like that, and then then you take them out and replace them with that, or also with that. Oi, Grace. Okay, right, well, there's only one thing to do with it, isn't there? Have a go. Stop barking. Are you barking at Bo? Nicely balanced, I'll give them that. Alright, Gracie, what's the matter? You are mardy, aren't you? You don't go out. I'll be as faffy as that without it. Right, let's have a go at this then. Come out of the way, Gracie, let me just have a little cut. Just getting used to how it works. Not ideal thickness stock for cutting dovetails out within this parquet floor, but you can cut one out of this. Cutting one out of 10, 12, 15 mil stock will be nice and easy. That's okay. I like that. Yep, now I know how it works. I'm going to have to make some dovetail drawers for in here now. The only thing I really need to get myself is a new set of chisels, really. These are just cheap carpenter's chisels. They're not really designed to cut nice, neat, tight dovetails. Maybe that should be my next tool purchase. This is just like all the other Hongdui tools I've had. They just feel really nice in your hand. I think this is probably the 5th or 6th tool I've got now of Hongdui's, and they're all really, really well made. So I'm going to call this video here. I'm going to use this in future videos. We'll definitely go and cut some dovetails. Not sure I've cut many dovetails since I went to college. I might embarrass myself, but we'll have a go and cut some dovetails. Thank you, Banggood, as usual, for sending me these tools, and I'll put the links down in the description should you want to have a further look. Right, I'm going to call this video here, guys. I'm quite happy with what I've achieved today. It's been a while since I did some work in the workshop, and I actually had forgotten where I got up to, which was demonstrated when I tried to lean on that piece of wood and it nearly fell out of the ceiling. So thanks for watching, and in next episode we'll insulate this ceiling and we'll go shopping and we'll get some materials to further the ceiling and start these cupboard builds. I'll see you later, guys. See you soon. Bye.